ChatGPT's 35 indicator SOL analysis shows $188 resistance test as volume rises 103% on ARK interest. ChatGPT. Price prediction. Solana. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Crypto journalist. Hassan. Crypto journalist. Hassan. About author. Anas is a crypto-native journalist and SEO writer with over 5 years of writing experience covering blockchain, crypto, DeFi, and emerging tech. Author profile. Share. Copied. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Last updated. July 28, 2025. Why trust CryptoNews? CryptoNews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about CryptoNews. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital. Solana is trading at $187.75, with volume exploding 103% to $7.33 billion. As technical indicators show mixed signs at key EMA resistance levels, positioning SOL for a potential breakout or a deeper correction toward the $179 support. SOL is trading below the 20-day EMA but maintaining strength above the key 50-day, 100-day, and 200-day moving averages and demonstrates a resilient medium-term bullish structure despite short-term weakness. The following analysis synthesizes ChatGPT's 35 real-time technical indicators, institutional staking developments, social sentiment metrics, and enterprise adoption data to assess SOL's 90-day trajectory amid key technical inflection between continued consolidation and explosive breakout momentum. Technical analysis. Mixed signs at key juncture. Solana's current price of $187.75 reflects a minus 2.21% daily decline from an opening price of $192, establishing a trading range between $193.52, high, and $186.71, low. The 3.6% intraday range indicates continued volatility, typical of consolidation phases preceding major directional moves. The RSI at 49.84 sits in perfectly neutral territory, indicating balanced momentum with equal potential for upward or downward movement. Moving averages reveal critical positioning with SOL trading just below the 20-day EMA at $188.16, while maintaining strength above the 50-day EMA at $185.95, the 100-day EMA at $179.62, and the 200-day EMA at $170.66. This EMA structure indicates an overall bullish trend with minor short-term weakness. MACD indicators display a slightly bullish structure, with the MACD line at 0.55 trading above zero. However, the signal line at 0.92 creates bearish divergence. Volume analysis reveals exceptional activity, with daily trading volume reaching $7.33 billion, representing a substantial 103.15% surge. An ATR reading of 172.85 indicates an extremely high volatility environment, suggesting the next directional break could produce substantial moves as institutional positioning accelerates. Historical context. Recovery from January peak correction. Solana's 2025 performance demonstrates classic high-growth asset volatility, with dramatic swings from January's all-time high of $295.83 to current consolidation levels. The year began with explosive momentum, reaching unprecedented heights before a strong correction. February and March witnessed sharp selling pressure, with SOL declining to $148.03 and $124.69, respectively, representing a brutal 57.6% correction from its peak levels. This massive sell-off established the foundation for current recovery patterns and created substantial accumulation opportunities for institutional investors. From April to July, there was consistent recovery momentum, with SOL rebounding to $147.64, then continuing to $160.80 in May, $154.74 in June, before reaching its current levels around $187.75. Current pricing sits 57.48% below the all-time high, though maintaining extraordinary long-term gains of over 37,000% from the May 2020 all-time low of $0.5052. Support and resistance. Key levels define direction. Immediate support emerges at today's low around $186.71, reinforced by the key 50-day EMA at $185.95. This convergence of technical levels provides the primary defense for a continued bullish structure, making it the most critical level to monitor. Key support zones extend to the 100-day EMA at $179.62, representing major technical support and historical accumulation areas. The strong support base at the 200-day EMA, around $170.66, corresponds to long-term trend definitions and institutional buying zones. Resistance begins immediately at the 20-day EMA at $188.16, representing the most substantial hurdle for resuming the short-term uptrend. Major resistance lies within the $195 to $200 zone, followed by strong resistance at $205 to $210, which represents the previous range highs. Successfully breaking these levels would indicate sustained uptrend resumption toward the historical resistance cluster around $220 to $230. Institutional momentum. ARK Invest partnership signals confidence. SOL Strategies announced a partnership with ARK Invest's Digital Asset Revolutions Fund, with Cathie Wood's team selecting their enterprise-grade infrastructure for institutional staking operations. Similarly, Accelerate Fund's plans to raise $1.5 billion to become the largest SOL holder further show the growing institutional appetite for Solana exposure. Market fundamentals. Explosive volume confirms interest. Solana maintains its position as the fifth largest cryptocurrency with a market capitalization of $100.64 billion, demonstrating strong resilience and growth potential. The 1.02% market cap increase is accompanied by an extraordinary 81.2% surge in volume to $7.2 billion. The volume-to-market cap ratio of 7.18% indicates exceptional trading activity relative to market size, suggesting large institutional repositioning and retail interest. The circulating supply of 537.92 million SOL represents 88.7% of the total supply of 606.18 million tokens, with an unlimited maximum supply supporting long-term network growth through controlled inflation. The fully diluted valuation of $113.42 billion indicates a modest premium to the current market cap, reflecting reasonable inflation expectations and long-term growth projections. Social sentiment. Bullish community engagement accelerates. Lunar Crush data reveals strong social performance with Solana's alt rank improving to 102, indicating exceptional standing relative to cryptocurrency peers. Galaxy score of 56 reflects building positive sentiment momentum around recent institutional developments. Engagement metrics reveal heavy activity, with 35.63 million total engagements, 166,413 mentions, and 34,563 creators actively contributing to discussions. Social dominance of 9.9% demonstrates Solana's ability to capture strong attention relative to market position. Sentiment registers at a robust 77% positive.